Welcome to week 4 of Anatomy, Virtual Anatomy, and I hope everybody's doing well, everybody's healthy, everybody's eating right, everybody's getting lots of exercise. I hope all that's happening, and most importantly, staying mentally healthy. It's tough in these times. Hopefully we'll have a little bit warmer of a week and we can get outside and do some things. I think that makes everybody feel a little bit better. This week is going to be a little bit of a transition. Today we're obviously taking the test. And then after that, we're starting our next unit, which is the muscular system unit. That's a little bit different than we normally teach it, obviously. A lot of the muscular system unit, we're dealing with movement, so we're moving around in the classroom and showing you how things work, and we do some labs, and we're obviously going to have to modify a lot of that. Mrs. Meddy and I are working on that, doing the best we can. So hang in there and give us any questions that you have. And make sure that you keep in contact with us, shoot us an email, or if we need to hang out, do a Google Hangout, then we can. Hope all is well. Thanks. Bye.